Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want more clicks and views on your YouTube videos in 2026, your thumbnail matters more than anything else. Canva makes it easy to create bold, eye-catching thumbnails without any design experience. Ready-made YouTube thumbnail templates, drag and drop editor, perfect thumbnail size automatically works for any YouTube niche. So this guide I will show you step by step how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva, log into your account, click a create a design, select YouTube thumbnail. So Canva will open the correct size automatically. So on the left sidebar, you have here template, tap it, browse or search styles like gaming, tutorial, reaction, fitness, business, minimalist. Okay, so click a template to apply. So let's choose this, for example. Templates give you a professional layout instantly. So to change the thumbnail image, click the image. Okay, press delete or replace it, go to upload. Okay, then upload your own picture or screenshots, drag it into the canvas. Faces and strong expressions usually perform better. Okay, now click the text box, for example. You can replace it with your own words. Okay, adjust font size, color, position, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.